What do you do when your child dreams big but quietly doubts if they're good enough? They're curious, maybe even obsessed. They light up when they talk about it, but when it comes to choosing it as a career, they freeze. Am I smart enough for this? What if I fail? And you, as a parent, is caught in the middle. Do you push them to believe in themselves or steer them gently towards something safer? This is the exact dilemma I help families navigate every day. Hi, I'm Indu Ishwarappa. I work with students and their parents to figure out what career paths truly fits them. Not just what sounds impressive or scores well in exams, but what actually matches who they are, that is, how they think, learn, and thrive. Over the years, I have seen this one thing again and again. It's not that kids today don't dream big, it's that they quietly wonder if they're allowed to, especially when the dream is something like becoming an astronomer or wildlife biologist or game designer, paths that feel unusual, competitive, or uncertain. And in those moments of doubt, parents feel stuck too. Should I cheer them on or guide them towards something safer? And that's the kind of question I help families answer with calm confidence and a deep understanding of what truly fits. A year ago, I met a family from Bangalore, middle class, warm, and closely involved in their daughter Adhuni's future. Adhuni had a quiet but intense curiosity, one that sets her apart. She spent hours reading, researching, and thinking about something that most kids barely notice. Her room had books, posters, and even star maps. But when someone asked, "Do you want to make a career out of this?" she hesitated. Not because she didn't love it, but because she was not sure if she was good enough. And her parents, they were not sure either. They didn't want to crush her excitement, but they were scared to encourage something that might not lead anywhere. This kind of hesitation on both sides is something I see all the time. And that's exactly why we build the Raising Future Leaders checklist to help students move from "I like this" to "I'm built for this" with clarity and not confusion. As a parent, you want your child to find something they love and can actually succeed in. But the world your child is growing up in, it's nothing like the one you entered. Careers are changing fast, competition is high, and there are too many options that sound great but lead nowhere. Without the right lens, we either fall for what looks glamorous or avoid something amazing just because it feels risky. That's where doubt creeps in. Kids begin questioning themselves. Parents start second guessing. And before you know it, everyone is stuck. Especially when it's time to make decisions in board years or college admissions. But here is the thing. Clarity is possible. When you bring that clarity into the picture, everything changes. Let me show you how that happened for Adhuni. In this episode, I'll walk you through how we helped Adhuni move from hesitation to full clarity about a career in astronomy. You will see how we used a deep dive approach, not just looking at her marks or interests, but analyzing her traits, abilities, and future alignment. By the end of this video, you will know what to do if your child has a strong interest, but neither of you is sure it's the right direction. And you will see why choosing with evidence is so much better than choosing with fear. Let's get started. When Adhuni first came to me, she was in a tricky spot. She loved everything about space science, that is, stars, black holes, telescopes, Mars missions, you name it. But when it came to imagining a real future in astronomy, she froze. She asked me, "Ma'am, I'm interested, but what if I don't have the skills? What if this is just a hobby?" Her parents echoed the same uncertainty. "We want to support her," they said, "but how do we know she's really built for this?" This is where so many families get stuck. Because when a child's dream feels a little too big or the field feels too niche, it creates fear. Fear that they will fail. Fear that they are not ready. Fear that the passion won't hold up in the real world. So what happens? The students pulls back. The parents get anxious. And in the absence of real clarity, the whole conversation stays stuck in what ifs. But here is what I told Adhuni and her parents. Loving a subject is not the problem, and marks alone are not the answer. The real question is, does your child have the traits that align with success in that field? And that's exactly what we explored together. With Adhuni, we didn't make guesses. We used science-backed tools to understand her from every angle. What she is naturally curious about, how she processes information, her decision-making style, her personality patterns, her research and reasoning strengths, and most importantly, how all of this match with the emerging career domains. What we discovered? Adhuni had exceptional skills in critical thinking, problem solving, and abstract reasoning. She could interpret data, work through ambiguity, and stay with complex concepts for long periods. She also showed a natural comfort with deep research and thinking for multiple perspectives. These are exactly the kinds of capabilities that thrive in astronomy and related space sciences. Once we had this mapped out, everything became easier. We sat with her parents and broke it all down. What it takes to enter astronomy, where the world is heading in terms of space careers, what kind of roles are opening up, and what colleges to look for. We didn't just say, she can do it. We said, here is why she is suited for it. Then came the roadmap. Which subjects she needs to focus on in high school, what kind of research or summer programs would help, how to start building a profile that stands out, what scholarships and universities both in India and abroad support students like her. That's when I saw a shift. She sat straighter, she smiled more because she wasn't doubting herself anymore. She had evidence, she had a path, and her parents, they finally felt at peace because they knew they were backing her with confidence, not just emotion. Today, Adhuni is actively building her path towards astronomy. She's chosen the right subjects, she's applying for niche programs, but more than that, she's believing in herself again. Her parents, too, are no longer guessing. They're supporting her with clarity. This is what happens when you align a dream with real understanding. It's not about whether your child's dream is too big. It's about whether you know how to assess if it's the right one. And with the right tools, you can stop second guessing and start building forward. If this story spoke to you, please subscribe to Classroom Dreams to Joyful Professions. And if you're wondering how to help your child find a career path that truly fits them, we have put together the Raising Future Leaders Checklist, a free resource to help your child discover their strengths, align with future-ready careers, and plan with purpose. It's already helped hundreds of families move from doubt to direction. Want to see it in action? Watch CCC episode 16, where Preeti Durga walks you through real-life examples of how families are using it. The link is in the description. I'm Indu Ishwarappa. I help students and parents take the guesswork out of career decisions. Because when you really understand your child, not just their marks, but their mindset, You don't just guide them, you empower them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay curious, stay kind, and keep moving forward.